Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you best kitchen backsplash tiles design idea. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then please don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day. In this video we will see best and modern kitchen backsplash design ideas. When it comes to remodeling a kitchen, a great part of the design details will go into the backsplash. While this may look like a simple project, choosing tiles for your kitchen backsplash can be a quite complex, as there are so many things to consider that will give your overall kitchen an inspired look. The primary purpose of a kitchen backsplash is to protect the wall from liquids, usually water and oil. But it also serves as the decor focal point after your kitchen renovations. It defines the style of your kitchen areas, radiating your personality and reflecting the mood and feel of your cooking space. From clean minimalist to chic vintage, there are countless design and style options to choose from. What is most important is to choose a style that makes you happy. This is what matters most after all. Do not be afraid to test out unique style options. Remember that this is something that will be a central defining aspect to your overall theme. It also important to remember is that your choice of backsplash has to blend in with the existing decor. You need to create a harmony from the work area to the countertops to the walls and even the floor. This collaboration of color and texture is essential to the function and beauty of your cooking space. When choosing tiles for your kitchen backsplash, the color should typically be one of the first choice you will make. You need to put into consideration if you want your backsplash to stay neutral or to be colorful. While colored kitchen backsplash can make a huge impact on your space, a neutral backsplash can as well as boost the space with great highlights, different strokes, different folks. Whatever you choose, try to make it adaptable since some people are better attracted to the color and some other to neutral space. Material for your backsplash is vital as your choice for color. You need to consider if concrete tiles backsplash, stone or ceramic tiles will suit your needs. You need to consider if such material can withstand wear and tear and last very long. Also, you need to look into areas such as if it has a low maintenance or is easy to clean. Since the tile backsplash will generally be up against the countertops, it is vital you ensure the materials and color fit well together. Choosing the right backsplash involves many decisions. First, you need to decide what type of tiles you want. Then you still have to find out nice design that fits your needs while also creating the perfect decor for you. There are several tile materials to choose from: glass, ceramic, porcelain, marble, granite and even metal. One big factor in deciding which tiles material to go for in cost. If you are on budget, the best option include porcelain and ceramic. If you are able to willing to spend a bit more, you might want to consider more expensive options such as marble, granite and glass. The issue of style is not as important nowadays when choosing between various tile materials. Thanks to technology, even ceramic tiles can be designed to resemble marble or even a metal surface. This is beneficial when you want a specific look but a cheaper price. Ceramic or porcelain tile backflash. With ceramic tile, you can get most versatile backflash material. That's great and that comes with a wide range of shapes, texture, color and size. Ceramic tile backflash is budget friendly and very affordable. They are durable, rugged and easy to clean or wipe off. They come in a wide range of designs, patterns and texture. You can get specific hand painted tiles for that desired exclusive look. Easily replaceable if broken since they are affordable. Glass backflash tiles is trading and it has the capacity to add beauty to your kitchen and make it look brighter. It comes in a wide range of style including of the colored glass tiles, texture glass tiles, etc. Glass tiles materials they reflect light creating brighter and larger appearance. They are also more eco-friendly when compared to other like ceramic. This glass of tiles is also non-flammable with clear glass material. They can be used to secure walls against moisture and food splashes along others. Marble backflash. Just as granite tiles backflash, marble backflash also adds stylishness to a kitchen space. It is not often utilized due to its porous nature and capacity to get easily stained. It offers luxury look to any kitchen. It comes in a wide range of lighter shades and is thus good for helping kitchen space appear brighter. Very easy to clean, shines and sparkle. Large pattern tiles. When you place large pattern tiles on your kitchen walls, you will see how exclusively beautiful it will appear it. However, requires lying your wall space thoughtfully in order to make your designs appear even. Diagonal tiles. Tiles come in a diagonal cuts, giving your backsplash a unique look. Note that you will require more tiles than usual when tiling kitchen backflash. Additionally, diagonal tiles tend to cost more. Laser cut tiles. Because of their intricate design and patterns, these tiles are cut using laser technology. Subway tiles. These are some of the most popular backflash tiles. They are named after the tiles used in most subway stations. They create a classic and clean cut look. Custom mosaic tiles. This is highly custom and special and comes at a cost that's a bit high. Well said, if you are up for the budget and want something extra special, get going with a design that is all your own. Mosaic tiles put together helps create a stunning custom designs. Mixed material. You can get so much uniquely designed and presented with a mixed material that includes glass, mosaic, stone, etc. to create that kitchen glamorous in a range of style that is simply amazing. These offer your kitchen a whole new vibes with a glamorous look. With some creative color and decor theme with countertops, you can create that cohesive design that's stunning. Shape and pattern. You need to consider whether fun pattern or classic shapes are the perfect fit. You can make your kitchen stay timeless in design. Backsplash heights. This is another important decision you need to make as it affects the overall style of your kitchen. While most homeowners opt for the standard countertops to cabinet heights, you could decide to be more radical and go for a full height backflash. This creates a more attention globbing focal point for the kitchen. I hope this video will help you to choose the best kitchen backflash design idea for your kitchen. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see future videos. And thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.